I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the discrete GPU is physically installed and powered. This prevents boot problems. Once done, boot to your operating system and open Device Manager on Windows or System Settings on other OSes. Make sure you've downloaded the latest drivers for the graphics card so you can install them immediately. Now, locate Display Adapters or Graphics Settings. This is where you'll switch outputs. Don't skip the driver step, because it ensures stability when you flip primary GPUs. Next, you disable the integrated GPU so the system hands control to the dedicated card. In Device Manager, right-click the integrated adapter and choose Disable Device. Alternatively, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and set primary display to PCIe or PEG. After changing BIOS, save and restart. Then install the discrete GPU drivers you downloaded earlier. This step configures display outputs and performance settings. Make sure to connect your monitor to the graphics card ports before the final reboot. Finally, confirm the monitor is plugged into the graphics card and open Display Settings to verify the adapter name and resolutions. If you lose the display, immediately power off, reseat the GPU and power connectors, and try again. Sometimes a loose cable is the culprit. If problems persist, reset BIOS to defaults or boot into safe mode to uninstall drivers and then reinstall the proper package. One key troubleshooting tip: booting safe mode lets you remove bad drivers without crashing the desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.